How to make the main menu in Roblox Studio. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make the main menu in Roblox Studio. To get started on Roblox Studio, open the application on your device and select a template. Once you have done that, choose a model from the top and click on the scale option. You can adjust the size of the model by dragging the colorful dots on the right. Next, find the surface appearance option and click on it. Then, go to the detail option and select the insert object button. Now search for surface goo and choose the frame option. To add text, click on the insert object option again and select the text button from the appearance section. Select the data option and then choose active. Scroll down to find the background option and choose your preferred color for the background. Next, you need to set all the properties of your main menu. You can customize its name, position, rotation, size, layout, and more. After you've selected all the desired properties, select the main menu and it will be applied. That's it. Your main menu is now ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.